Lesson Plan 4. Theme: Healthy and Unhealthy Habits. Planning is very important to have an order and establish different priorities so that the activity that we purpose has its respective successful and we can achieve and goal that we have set ourselves from the beginning, avoiding that this result is conditioned by random factors. Good morning or good afternoon, depending on the time you are observing this lesson plan. Hello, dear teacher of the University UTPL. I'm going to explain lesson plan. For the high school in the second bachelor with the aim of giving practice teaching to the student based on the book of the Ministry of Education of Ecuador. In the 4 lesson plan, I use 4 objectives with the skill of English. In the number 1, listening, the student will be able to identify and the following instruction. Speaking, a student will be able to accurately name healthy and unhealthy habits. Reading, a student will be able to recognize healthy and unhealthy habits. Writing, a student will be able to construct sentences with vocabulary related to healthy and unhealthy habits. Okay. Continue with the methodology and strategy. Okay. Methodology I use in this lesson plan: communicative language teaching, and the second, grammar translation method, third, audio lingual method. Okay, and other text-based learning. In this use 4: communicative language teaching, grammar translation method, audio lingual method, the task-based learning. Okay, a strategy that used in this lesson plan: work, class work, individual work. Okay, continue with anticipatory setting. The teacher asks students what they like to do for being healthy. A student and the teacher maintain a conversation sharing their experience, habits, and hobbies. Continue main teaching input. Another point this lesson plan. Okay. The word up. A word up activity. Teacher will present a student the picture with the question: how to build healthy habits. A student is giving their ideas. All the ideas and experiences are correct. There is another picture is which teacher help the students with 10 tips to create healthy habits. Okay? Yeah, okay. A student will be open their book, the page 22. There is a bank with a new vocabulary about habits. The teacher will read the words and the student will repeat the teacher. Okay, the teacher write the words on the board and translate their meaning. A student beside the teacher gives student example of the sentence following the example of the teacher. Okay, in the sentence use the new words and expression. Okay, continue. Student will be do their own sentence following the example of the teacher. Yeah, continue. A student will be separating new words which represent healthy habits from those that represent unhealthy habit, and we will complete the chart on the first exercise on the page 20. 22 in their book. Continue. The teacher asks the student to watch a video about how to change bad habit in the order to change their lives. Okay. The teacher walks around checking, understanding, and as if they were necessary. For example, this is a picture number 1. I use for this topic my material that use the unhealthy and healthy. Okay, 10 tips, for example. Okay, this is a picture the student said. Okay, teacher walks around monitoring a correct pronunciation with the students. Okay, teacher and conclude the class by review the topic briefly. Continue with a modeling. The example that teacher gives provides with clear contextualized model which will show the correct form and example of use the word in the context. Okay, continue with Guian's practice. Students are doing the exercise of a student book, exercise 1 and exercise 2, page 10, and they will write them in their notebook. After completing it, the student will be shared their answer with a classmate. Okay. Another point important this lesson plan is independent practice. Okay, a student complete the chart of the first exercise of the page 22 in their book. They will share the findings with their peers. Okay, continue. Assignment. They will complete the worksheet dividing the healthy and unhealthy habit as the instruction asks. And then they will share their answer and compare them with classmates. Teacher will help if the students need it. Okay. For example, this is a worksheet that use in this class. Okay. You see in this smoking, walking, eating vegetables, drinking wine, okay, washing hands, eating junk food. Okay, put H for healthy habits and U unhealthy habits. Okay, this is my worksheet that use in this class with a student for this topic, unhealthy and unhealthy habits. Okay, finally, closing review and the follow-up. The class will be concluded by reviewing the topic briefly. For homework, we'll do exercise number 2 of the page 22. Okay, this is my lesson, my lesson plan. I hope that you like this topic. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye.